Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Everything I've been wanting, manifesting from my life.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we have a wig from Wiggins Hair, and isn't she beautiful? The curl pattern on this is perfection. I've been trying to find some hair with this curl pattern and they hit it on the nail. I was so excited when I found this one. This is actually a 13 by 4 inch frontal. It is 250% density. It's pre-styled, pre-plugged, pre-everything, girl. All we gotta do is install it. So we're gonna go ahead and glue down this wig cap. Girl, I don't even know why I still try to do wig caps. The wigs always turn out so much better when I do not have one on. But here I go, proceeding to put on a wig cap. Like, be so for real, Olivia. I don't know what it is. I think my patience isn't there, but I don't have the patience for this to dry all the way. So then when I put the glue down, it ends up messing it up. Y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about later in the video, but don't be like me, girl. Let your glue dry all the way before you apply the glue on top of the wig cap, okay? Because it's gonna make all the difference. Look how beautiful this wig is. Girl, when I first unboxed it, I was like, come through Wiggins. This design up top is super cute. Like, I've never had a wig like this, and the hairline is immaculate. Like, I didn't have to do anything extra. I didn't even have to cut it because it's already pre-cut. Like, all you have to do is put the glue on, and I'm so glad that it came like this, because whenever I have a full lace where you have to cut it and pluck it, I can never get it right. Okay, so this wig is doing me a huge favor. Do you remember when I was saying how you should let your wig cap dry before you start applying the glue? This is why. Because it starts to peel back. And at this point, I really should have just taken the wig cap off, but I really tried to make it work, girl. But me personally, I do prefer to apply wigs without the wig cap. I just do it on video so y'all can see it done the right way, but then it never comes out like, you know, how it's supposed to. So I should have took that wig cap off, girl. But do you see my hairline though? Can we talk about the hairline? The hairline. They really ate when it came to pre-plugging this and pre-styling this. They did it perfectly. This is definitely one of my new favorite wigs. I have actually already washed it and plan to reapply it because it's just that good. The curls on this wig were already popping, but I just like for my curls to look defined, so I just went ahead and wet the hair, brushed it through, and just added some moisturizer and some oil. You can also just add some mousse if you wanted to. The hair was really soft and easy to brush through, so that made it super easy. You really don't even have to do this step because the curls were cute as is. I just had some extra time on my hands, so I figured why not? Let's see. Let's wet these curls up, okay? y'all know we had to throw in some makeup, and here is the finished product. So cute. I was really feeling this wig, especially after my makeup was done. Okay, basic girl math. Once your hair is done, you got to get your makeup done. Like, they got to be done together, okay? So here's the finished product. Again, this wig is from Wiggins Hair. I will have the link to their site and this specific wig down below in the description box. Again, this is their 13x4 lace frontal texture water wave, 24 inches, and it's 250% density, so she's nice and thick. If you're looking for a new hairstyle, something different, this is definitely your girl. She is so bomb. The curls are popping and the braids are tight, okay? I would do this on my natural hair too. I really do love this hairstyle. So yes, that is it. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And remember, the links to this hair are down below in the description box.
You a little 48, baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a... You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.